how to book Uber. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can book Uber, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, booking an Uber is actually very simple thing to do, because all you have to do is make sure that you download the Uber application, open it up, and then just make sure that you're signed into your account. So from the very top of the screen you can simply select your destination as well as your starting point. So over here you can simply enter your starting point, so let me also go ahead and then do that here. And once I enter my starting point, what I can do is I can also go ahead and enter my destination. Then after that I can just go ahead and book a cab or a bike depending upon what I want, and then I'll be able to book Uber. And this way you should be able to book Uber. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.